you enjoy your morning routine? Yeah. What's going on, all my papayas and fellow cucumbers out there? My name is Papa Grinkinsworth 5452.1882, coming at you live with yet another Minecraft adventure. So today's gonna be quite a big day, and I'm gonna start out that big day with a good old Papa smoothie. Now, I made the smoothie one time in a video before, and everyone was like, you did it wrong, you didn't do a very good guide, and I'm still getting comments on that video on the Papa Club channel to this day. Alright, so you gotta obviously start off with the empty boy. You gotta have your spiky boys down there to chop it all up. I start off with a whopping 2 cubits of ice. Next, I grab about 1 handful of the good old nanners. Oops, I dropped 2. I dropped them. Get in there. Get in there. Up. Up. From there, unfortunately, I don't really measure it because I just kind of know how to do it. But I just dump about an equal amount of what I did for the bananas into there with blueberries. Next, I add some yogurt. I either use plain or vanilla. Right now I have vanilla. By the way, this is very useless if you don't have a Baileys to help you, because she really makes this smoothie taste absolutely complete and great. For the yogurt, I do about 4 of these. Wait, nope. 4 heaping boys, so just kind of like an overflowing scoop like that. From there, I just get a spoonful of this good old peanut butter. Now, usually I use a better brand, but this was the cheap stuff, so I decided to go with it, because you can get that 2-pack for $7, or you can get the healthy stuff for $10 for a tiny boy. So anyways, you put that bad boy in there. Actually, I want a little bit more. And I just got some yogurt in there, which is kind of gross. I'm gonna try and get it out. Cool. Now, very important step. Alert. Alert, do not skip this step. So after you get your peanut butter on the spoon, you gotta get your Baileys, and you gotta make her go in your bed. Now sit. Good girl. Now give me a paw. Paw. Good girl. Now you can have this. So you gotta always give that extra peanut butter to your Baileys, and just make sure you rub some of it on her nose so she's gotta lick it off after, and just kind of, you know, get her working hard for that peanut butter. You look dumb. You made a big old mess, yeah. You're a baby and you need to be taken care of. Step 452.681. So I've got almond milk today. You can use milk. I usually use milk, but I was feeling healthy when I was at the store, so I was like, I'm gonna get some almond boy. So I just dump like a little bit in there until I can kind of see it level with the top of this. I put a pretty decent amount. And then step 69.696 is gonna be these oats. Now, there's lots of stuff you can use, but I just use these regular old oats from Walmart. It's that great value goodness, and I just dump it in. I usually dump quite a bit of these. So then you put the bad boy on the puppy whoopee, and then you gotta press the button, and it may or may not scare your Baileys. It depends on the day. Sometimes she'll get scared, sometimes she won't. Let's see what happens today. Are you ready, Baileys? Oh. Alright, and it's all donezo. So this blender's kind of just a crap artist. If you're feeling like a real hardcore citizen with your mustache, I gotta say that you can't just have this smoothie like this. You gotta really put a can of worms into it, like you're just fishing in the outback, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get your mouth full of smoothie, and then do as I do. It's great! I feel it manlier already. It's great. It's wonderful. Recommend it. Alright, seriously, I gotta recommend it. If you don't want to throw up, then just don't do that. Hello there. Are you just so pretty? I can't even believe it sometimes, just how pretty and cute you are. Yeah, and you're a sweet girl. Why you look so scared? Oh, the Baileys. The Baileys had some other life before this one, and I don't know what happened to her, but now she's all safe. Yeah, she's got this nose. She's got these floppy jowls. Look at them. Look at those teeth. Those are some nice teeth, huh? Yeah, some sharp ones. Alright, so today is the big day. Yesterday was the medium day. Today's the big day. I'm going to pick up the bikes. We got 3 bikes we're picking up today, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them later. But we're going up to SSR Motorsports in Long Beach. I'm going to pick up my brother Isaac. He was in a recent vlog, so you probably know him. And we're going to pick up the bikes. We're going to leave Baileys behind. We will be back, though. We're not going to be gone for too long. It's not going to be a business day. It's just going to be like a pick up the bikes and go day. We'll be back real soon. Bye. Alright, so I'm borrowing Delink's truck because I'm going to go pick up the bikes without him because he's being mature, editing a video or something. You want to know the coolest part about this truck? Ready? Ho 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 ho! The Papa Boy Auto Boy. This video is sponsored, as all, by Voss Helmets. VossHelmetsUSA.com/theclub. Swipe up to become 6'4" Honda today. John's gone. Johnny, how you doing, buddy? So I didn't record any of that, but we got the bikes. They're loaded up. This is what we got today. We're gonna be getting more in the future, but so far we have a Razcolt 125 made by SSR, which is these guys. And then we have what's called a Benelli 135. It's a TNT. This is the Grom killer. So it's like a Grom, but it's got a lot more power. And I'm really excited about this one. This is an Italian machine bad boy, and then this one's just a lot cheaper version of a Grom. And it's the exact same as a Grom, it's just a lot cheaper. All right, we're gassing up the Delinky Bob. I got some good old-fashioned juicy boys. Wait for it. This is the best sound ever. Ugh. Good old-fashioned. All right, we're back at the Taco Papa HQ. Check it out. They're back nice and safe and sound like. We're gonna take them down, and then we're gonna lick them clean, and then we're gonna brush our teeth with them, and possibly even comb our hair with them. It's gonna be really fun. Yee! Hi, Bales. How are you doing today? How are you doing, Mrs. Bales? We missed you. We missed you as always. Oh yeah, all done leaving you. Now we're gonna go to Grandma's house and we're gonna go hang out. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! We're in the Delinky Mobile once again. We're going to return it to its rightful owner, Mrs. Papa Delinky Bear, who is also my great grandma.
Hello dear. Oh, you're so cute. I got over there. Jal was like flying after the lake. I zoomed in on her, and then she was like.
Alright guys, we're going to Taco Bell. Let's see if we can get this order right this time. Usually they always have trouble. Hi, can I get a Centritrius and a large XL?
I'm sorry?
A Centritrius and a large 2X, the steak.
Number 2?
Yeah, we'll just let Bales tell you. Here, Bales.
Sir, can you speak that again? What would you like?
I don't know why the first guy couldn't understand me. The second lady seemed to understand me just fine. You guys want to see something cute while we're waiting for our food? Look at these Bales. That's her. She is just so cute. And then you want to see the real version? It's right there. Oh, she went hiding. Hello. Hello. Hello.
1078. That's us.
Yeah, some fire. And some hot. A little bit of both.
Oh, you have a cute dog.
Thanks. She thinks you're cute too. She loves you.
Aww. How old?
She's a good old 6 years. I don't know what that is in dog years, so I couldn't tell you because I'm not really a mathematician, but you know, you can do the math. We got a big old bag for 2 little nacho boxes. All right, check it out. We got the brand new beef box, and then we got the chicken box of nachos. Oh man, these both look so lit. I encourage you to go over to Taco Bell, although they don't sponsor me, unfortunately, and try some of this delicious juiciness. Wait, ready? Ready for that taste test? Here we go. It's so good, Bales. What do you think? Come here. What do you think? Oh, that's a definite loving.